Hi everyone, this is Dr. Sarala. Welcome to Millet Magic. All over the world, from time immemorial, porridge has been an essential part of our diet. But of late, we have been neglecting this pot of wonder since we do not know how important it is. To understand this, please watch the video on microbial imbalance where we go in depth on this topic. You can find the link to this video in the description box below or by clicking on the eye on your screen. Unfortunately, we have forgotten how such a simple dish is to be made. So today, I will be showing you how to prepare fermented porridge, also called as Ambali in South India or Khameer in Hindi. Porridge can be made from any of the 5 positive millets. It can be made from millet rice, millet rava or millet flour. I personally prefer the porridge made from millet rava. The process is the same for all of them. The first step is to dry roast the millet rava. Here I am using 2 cups of little millet rava and I am going to roast it until it emits a light aroma. Roasting enhances the flavor of the porridge, but it is an optional step. Soaking millets for a good 6 to 8 hours before cooking is a must. So I am soaking the rava with 6 cups of water. Now to an earthen pot, I am going to add 6 more cups of water, which makes it a total of 12 cups of water for 2 cups of millet. The ratio being 1:6. You can add up to 1:10 cups of water if you like your ambali to be more watery. I am going to allow the water to come to a boil. Once the water is boiling well, I am going to add in all the water which I had used to soak and the millet rava into the earthen pot. I am going to give it a nice stir. Turn down the flame to sim, cover it with a lid and allow it to cook well. I am going to give it an occasional stir from the bottom so that it doesn't burn. After 15 to 20 minutes, the millet is cooked well and the ganji is ready. But wait, it's not ready to be consumed yet. What we want to make is ambali. Ambali is nothing but a fermented ganji or porridge. We are fermenting it so that we get a good dose of probiotic bacteria. The probiotic bacteria need a well aerated condition to grow. So if you have by chance cooked the ganji in a steel vessel, it is a must to transfer it into an earthen pot now. Earthen pots have micropores in them and that is the reason aeration happens well and fermentation takes place in an ideal environment. For the same reason, I am going to cover the earthen pot by tying a cotton cloth over it. Now this needs to rest for 4 to 12 hours depending on the temperature outside. If it's summer, if it's hot, 4 hours will be more than enough. If it's cold, you will need to keep it in a warm spot for up to 12 hours as the bacteria need more time to develop. So basically, the duration for which you need to allow the porridge to ferment is the same duration which is required for milk to curdle in your place during that season. So now, you can see that the ambali is ready. It would have become a little thicker than what you left it. Your dose of probiotics, your source of vitamin B12, your immunity booster is ready. Few things to keep in mind when you're consuming the ambali are: do not heat the porridge after fermentation as it will kill the probiotic bacteria and the entire purpose will be defeated. You can make it warm by double boiling method or by adding lukewarm water. Do not add buttermilk, curd or milk before fermentation as lactobacilli alone will dominate and not allow any other good bacteria to grow. Ideally, we want a diversified microbial population in our gut. However, buttermilk or curd can be added just before consumption. Do not add salt while cooking or allowing it for fermentation, as salinity affects the microbial growth. Again, you may add salt just before consumption. If you have any serious chronic health condition, consuming fermented porridge, Ambali or Khameer for all 3 meals for about 6 to 9 weeks will help you recover soon. For everyone else, consuming this twice or thrice a week will boost your immunity and help you get a good dose of vitamin B12 and establish the essential microbial balance in your gut. You may eat fermented porridge along with vegetables, dal, sambar, rasam, pickles, or even palm jaggery, whichever suits your taste buds. So do ensure that you include various millet fermented porridges into your diet. Hey, and it's tasty too!